car maintenance can feel overwhelming, especially with so many myths floating around. Today, we're busting 5 common car maintenance myths that could be costing you time and money. Stick around to make sure you're not falling for these common traps. A lot of people believe that filling up with premium gas will boost their car's performance, but that's just not true for most vehicles. Premium gas is specifically formulated for high-performance engines with higher compression ratios. If your car runs on regular gas, using premium won't enhance fuel economy or performance. It's just a waste of money. Trust your car's manual, not the myth. The idea of changing oil every 3,000 miles is outdated and unnecessary for most modern cars. Advances in engine technology and synthetic oils mean that many vehicles can go 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or even longer, between oil changes. Overchanging your oil not only wastes money, but can also strip important additives from your engine, potentially causing more harm than good. Always check your owner's manual for your car's specific recommendation. There's no shortage of fuel additives claiming to boost performance or clean your engine, but the reality is that most modern fuels already include additives to optimize efficiency. Adding extra products can clog your fuel injectors or even damage your fuel system. If you want to keep your engine running smoothly, stick to high-quality fuel from reputable stations and skip the gimmicks. Sanding spark plugs might seem like a quick fix, but it's a risky one. Sanding can wear down the electrodes, leading to engine misfires or even more serious damage. If your spark plugs are dirty, it's better to replace them entirely. A fresh set ensures your car runs efficiently, and it's an easy and affordable maintenance task. Frequent radiator flushes are unnecessary for most modern cars. Today's closed-loop cooling systems are designed to last longer, with coolant replacement typically needed every 50,000 to 100,000 miles. Flushing the radiator too often can actually disrupt the system and cause more harm than good. Again, your car's manual will be your best guide for maintenance intervals. By avoiding these myths, you'll save money and ensure your car is maintained the right way. Remember, follow your owner's manual for accurate recommendations and consult a qualified mechanic when in doubt. If you've encountered any surprising car maintenance myths, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to keep your car running like a dream. See you next time.